the worker and who's the boss?
I'm the boss.
Oh, and that's the worker? How much do you pay him an hour?
Okay. Don't fill up list spot.
Boy, I'd hate to work for your crew. You're pretty bossy.
Fill up list spot.
That's the door.
Well, a hay bale could be a door.
I think he was talking back to you. You better write him up.
We've got a door over there on top of that pile there.
Okay.
You better check out the situation. I bet Samson would have had fun out here today.
Yeah.
So
what are you going to call your fort?
The igloo of nothing.
The igloo of Hazel Ridge?
The igloo of nothing.
Oh, okay. Are you going to have any wood?
One more here.
Yeah.
Please. Can you say please to your employee?
Well, I'm the boss.
Well, that doesn't mean you don't have to say please.
And I can do what I want.
Who's the boss in your house?
Me.
And then who?
Me.
Is
and
Mommy?
Then Marco and then Samson.
And then? Who's the last boss?
Marco again.
Get this on
What
tape,
about
dear.
Steve and
Quiet.
Mommy?
Here. Get this here. You want this here? Okay.
What is it?
What is that?
Where?
What?
No, what is it?
Oh.
It's the old bird's nest.
Could I? Yeah?
You just bring it down because the birds aren't using it now. See it?
See it, Grumpy?
Yeah?
Wow.
Who made that? Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
I bet.
It's cool.
What kind of birds?
Probably a robin. There's nothing in there now.
It's pretty neat.